Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Microsoft Visual C++ runtime error in GUNTOUCHABLES games. So here follow the steps. What you have to do, you have to install Microsoft Visual C++ files. To do so, go to this Microsoft official website on your web browser, and when you are on this website, then scroll down, download x86 version and download x64 version also. Now double click on x86 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. Click yes to allow. Now double click on x64 version. Now click on repair option if you see repair, and click on install option if you see install options. Click yes to allow. And after the successful installation of both the files, launch the GUNTOUCHABLES game and the error should be gone. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.